Hello, my name is Bernardo. Welcome to your greatlifetv.com. Today's episode is my first post of 2012, and the subject for today is my 3 heartfelt wishes to transform your life in 2012. And I've always been fascinated by how much energy and focus are placed in the beginning of the year onto changing people's lives for the better. And I'm also fascinated equally by how quickly that sense of momentum and strength and force is lost, maybe in month 2. I do not want that to be the case, so instead of sharing with you some resolution strategies or intentions, I would love to share with you 3 wishes that are practices that can enable you to get to a state that I at least aspire to, called effortless gratitude. Effortless gratitude is a place in life where things are in flow because you're effortlessly being grateful for everything you have in your life. So it doesn't matter what's going on around you, you always come up with a way of making sense of it and letting go of what doesn't serve you and opening more hearts because of that experience. The first wish that I have for you is ultimate awareness. And ultimate awareness is bringing yourself more and more to the present moment as much as you possibly can throughout your day, so that you realize what you're saying, what you're doing, and who you are being, which is the most important part of the 3. Because when you can bring yourself more and more to the present moment and get to notice when you start wandering off and stop being there for someone, or there for yourself, or there for life, then you can more and more get to not just experience the depth of life, but allow other people to open up more to life because of your consciousness around them. Second wish that I have for you is that you get to practice your virtues. There's so many virtues that you have at your disposal, and yet so many of us fail to use them on a consistent basis. And by virtues, I'm talking about gratitude, I'm talking about compassion, I'm talking about joy, I'm talking about excitement, I'm talking about growth, I'm talking about openness. All those things and more that are at our disposal, if we pay attention to them and if we make an effort to practice them in some way in our daily life, if we're able to practice one a day for the next 7 days and then go back and do the same thing the next week, I can guarantee you that you will remember more of who you are. Because it's not that you are not those qualities or those virtues, but sometimes if you fail to practice them, you fail to see the results in your life, and then life becomes a little bit more monotonous. And the third wish that I have for you, as you think about who you want to be in 2012 and what you want to accomplish, is letting go more easily. And that's something that I definitely need to practice more of. Letting go more easily means forgiving more quickly. It means forgetting about things that are really not important and not making things that are bigger than they should be, and not making things that are small big. So my challenge for you today, as you start this magnificent and radiant year, is to realize that if you can focus on those 3 basic things that I shared with you today, to come back more to the present moment and be aware, to practice your virtues and to let go more easily, you can create a life that is every single day exciting, every single day fulfilling, and one which will allow you to wake up in the morning full of energy, not because you won the lottery, but because you get to experience life. My wish for you, my friend, is to experience effortless gratitude. Thank you so much for allowing me to share this with you, and I challenge you to live a full and conscious life.